supposed to have a flight at 9 a.m. It got canceled, but you know, there's some snow, so I kind of get that one. They put us on for the flight at 9:30 p.m. It is now 11 p.m. It is now 12:30 a.m. It's been delayed like 5 times now. When we creep on the flight, it says it is still in Orlando on its way here to Philly. Behind me is the Southwest Airlines plane that we literally saw land, drop its people off, clean, and now they are putting on new people because it is a totally new day because it's 4 a.m. The last estimate was 4:20 a.m., but it is now 5 a.m. The pilot arrived, but it hasn't gone even in yet.